Hey there, tech friends. Welcome back to our amazing channel, where we delve into the fascinating realm of smart home gadgets, AI innovations, and futuristic living. Today's episode is all about diving into some engaging DIY home automation projects that are just perfect for beginners. If you're eager to dip your toes into smart home technology and want a hands-on experience, then this video is definitely for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let's get started. Before we dive headfirst into the projects, let's talk about why DIY home automation can be a fantastic option for beginners like you. Not only is it a more budget-friendly approach, but it also provides you with the opportunity to learn, experiment, and customize your smart home experience. Plus, there's an incredibly satisfying feeling that comes from seeing your creations come to life, making your home more intelligent and efficient. First up, let's explore a simple yet highly effective project, creating a DIY smart light switch. Using just a few components, such as a microcontroller, a relay module, and a Wi-Fi module, you can craft a smart switch that enables you to control your lights from your smartphone or even with voice commands. This project serves as an excellent introduction to basic electronics and coding, making your home lighting experience far more convenient and efficient in the process. Next on our list, we'll discuss how to create a DIY smart thermostat. A smart thermostat has the ability to learn your habits, optimize your home's temperature settings, and save energy in the long run. By utilizing an Arduino or Raspberry Pi, temperature sensors, and a Wi-Fi module, you can construct your very own smart thermostat that will keep your home cozy without breaking the bank. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you built it yourself. Ever wanted to keep an eye on your home while you're away? Let's construct a DIY smart security camera. By using a Raspberry Pi, a camera module, and some open source software, you can create a security camera that streams live video directly to your smartphone or computer. Throw in motion detection and notifications, and you've got yourself a cost-effective smart security solution that offers peace of mind. Are you a fan of voice-activated assistants like Amazon Echo or Google Home, but have always wanted to build your own? Well, you're in luck. With the Raspberry Pi, a microphone, and a speaker, you can create your very own voice-activated assistant using open-source software like Mycroft or Snips. Customize it to your heart's content and enjoy the convenience of hands-free control over your smart home device. Last, but certainly not least, let's take the DIY fun outside and create a smart irrigation system. Conserve water and maintain a lush garden with a custom-made system that employs sensors to monitor soil moisture and control water flow. Armed with an Arduino, a few sensors, and some electronic valves, you can construct a smart irrigation system that waters your plants only when they need it, preserving water and keeping your green thumb happy. And there you have it, folks. 5 beginner-friendly DIY home automation projects to help you dive into the world of smart home technology. With a dash of creativity, some basic electronics know-how, and a healthy dose of enthusiasm, you can transform your home into a high-tech haven. Have a blast building. Thank you for joining us on this exciting DIY home automation adventure. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, give us a thumbs up and share which project you'll tackle first in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to stay current with our latest content. Until next time, keep innovating and enhancing your home for a brighter future.